Hello everyone, this is Mandeep Kaur. I welcome you all in maths class. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Dear students, today we are going to start the very first chapter, that is rational numbers. So what are the rational numbers? There will be one question in your mind, that 2 is rational number, minus 4 is rational number, 5 or 7 is rational number. What are the rational numbers? So I'll explain you in this video. So I request you to watch this video very carefully to understand the concept properly. So let's start. Rational numbers are number which can be represented in the form of P over Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0, is called rational numbers. How we can write a number which can be represented in the form of P over Q. Okay, this is a general form of rational number P over Q, where P and Q both are the integers. It means this value might be a positive, might be negative, might be 0, but most important point is that Q will not equals to 0. Okay, P की value 0 हो सकती है, but Q will not equals to 0. Integers, what are the integers? The integers are the combination of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Negative numbers, for example, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 0 is 0. Positive number is 1, 2, 3, up to so on. It means that a number which can be represented in the P over Q are integers, where Q is not equals to 0 is called rational numbers. For example, we can write the example of rational number like 1 over 2. Here 1 and 2 both are the integers. These are the positive integers. So this is example of rational number. Also you can write one more example, minus 4 over 7. This is also example of rational numbers. Is it clear to all of you? Dear students, now let's do second definition, that is positive rational numbers. As it is clear from its name that positive, when the rational number is positive, then this is called positive rational number. Its definition is a rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator both are either positive or negative. Okay, whenever in the rational number both the numerator and denominator are positive or negative, then only they are called positive rational numbers. Because you all know that this 7 and 9 both are the positive rational numbers. Here minus 5 over minus 8. Minus minus, when it will be cut, then the number will remain 5 over 8. So 5 over 8 will also be the positive rational numbers. It is clear to all of you? Next come to third definition, that is negative rational numbers. A rational number is said to be negative if either numerator or denominator is negative. For example, minus 4 over 7 and 7 over minus 5. You can see here the numerator is negative and in the second example denominator is negative. Or we can say if any of these two, numerator or denominator, if one number is negative and second one is positive, then the number, rational number, is called negative rational numbers. And most important point that you have to keep in your mind, that in rational number either the integers or any number is positive, negative or 0, they will remain rational numbers. Okay, for example, like if the number is 1 over 2, this is also called rational number. If the number is minus 4 over minus 3, this is also rational number. If the number is minus 3 over 5, this is also an example of rational numbers.
Next is standard form of a rational number. A rational number P over Q is said to be in standard form if denominator Q is positive and PQ have no common divisor other than 1. For example, 1 over 2, 3 over 5 and 7 over 11. You can see in all these three examples, denominator Q is positive and all these three examples have no common divisor other than 1. So this is called standard form of a rational number.